Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted emails in Outlook. Let's begin. First, go to the Outlook official website, click on sign in and enter your account details. Once you're in, on the left-hand side of your Outlook homepage, click on the deleted items folder over here, right? Here, you'll find emails that were recently deleted and can easily be moved back, all right? If the email is in here, you can scroll down and click on recover items deleted from this folder over here, all right? Outlook stores these for a very limited time, so you still have a chance to get them back. But if you're going to select some emails in here, you can easily click on them individually, and you should be able to click on restore, and they'll go back to your inbox or the original folder they were in. And that's it. You have successfully recovered your deleted emails in Outlook. I hope you found this video very helpful.